how are you? I hope you all are safe and doing well and are at the comfort of your home. I understand that there's a huge rise in COVID. Please do not step out of your house until it's really necessary. Do wear mask, do maintain social distancing. It's really important, especially in the state of Maharashtra here in India. Please be safe and be careful and take care of your loved ones. Also, this is a very quick general reading for the month of April for my Leo friends. It's a small prediction or kind of a message that you're receiving from your spirit guides and angels. Again, let me just tell you that this is not a personal reading, so it's not for someone specific. It's a general reading. I'm picking up on several energies. Roles can be reversed, energies can be reversed. We are not gender biased here. If at all you do require a personal reading, please connect with me on luminousguide.com, or else take what resonates and let the remaining just fly. Also, yeah, also the message that I wanted to share with you, Leo friends, especially is if you're not sure of your star sign, your zodiac sign, just put it on Google, your date of birth, that's your month, the year and the date, and you will know whether you're a Leo or no. This is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Ascendant, okay? So it does not matter wherever you have Leo in chart. Again, this is just a general reading, okay? So the overall general message that I get for you for the month of April is acceptance. It's a very profound message if you actually think about it, my Leo friends. It talks about, releasing controlling issues. It's talking about accepting things the way it is at this point in time. Obviously, we have aspirations and we have a lot that we want to achieve in life, but there is also a divine timing that works your way, right? If you are a Hindu and if you've read Bhagavad Gita, or otherwise also if you've read Bhagavad Gita, you understand it's written that you do not get anything when it's not your time. Not a second ahead, not a second later. So whenever it is your time, you will receive what is rightly yours, okay? So a very strong and profound message here is to accept the situation the way it is, because once you start accepting situations or you start accepting people, that's when you start understanding the rhythm of life, right? And that's how you dance according to the tone, right? And that's how life is going to help you move on and go ahead in life. So that's your general overall message for the month of April that you need to work for. Now, in terms of career, I see there is a stuck situation for a lot of you. We've got the Hangman card. Number 12 could be significant. Now, the Hangman card talks about looking at things from a different perspective and direction. It's not upright, right? So every time you cannot just even in yoga we have that asana where the head is down, and that I don't know what that asana is, where it's like total topsy-turvy. Why? Because you need the fluids going in your brain. You need to understand things in a different state of mind. So that's exactly what it's talking for your career for the month of April. If things are not going right, if you're feeling stuck at this point in time, if you're feeling that things could have been better but you do not know how to solutionize, look at things from a different point of view. Just change your angle, right? Just change your angle, look at your surroundings, and then it's a possibility that you may be able to come up with better solutions. So look at things from a different point of view is a very strong message. Again, number 12 is resonating really loud out here for you guys. And for relationship, it's 3 of winter, which is the 3 of swords. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra or Gemini. Not necessary, but that's the star sign that we get here. Now, 3 of winter, okay, it's talking about a very cold situation. Maybe a lot of you are in a third party situation. That means, again, your relationship is stagnant at this point in time. That's for some of you, whoever resonates with this, right? Again, it's a general reading. So for different people, there'll be different situations. So it could be, there's a third party situation, may not necessarily be that your partner or the person that you're trying to pursue is having an affair with somebody. That's one possibility. Or maybe, they are chatting on social media, or they have too many options. That's one possibility. Or maybe there's a third party situation. Maybe it's a parents factor, it's a family factor, it's a religious factor, or it's a work factor. Because right now everybody is trying to really, strive hard at work. So that's a possibility. So there is some third situation. Okay, so deep down the meaning is, it's not necessarily that the opposite person is having an affair. It could be any third party situation that's influencing your relationship, and that's getting you back to the stuck situation that we are talking about. So it's not moving on, it's like not moving ahead, it's not going to the next level, not moving in, not commitment, nothing like that. It's like a stuck situation That's in terms of relationship. However, see, you're going to grow stronger, right? From the situation, you may be sad at this point in time, but things will look better as you work on solutionizing, as you work for a better tomorrow. Okay. The message that we get from your angel, see, look at this message. No need to worry. So the angel's guidance message is absolutely crystal clear for you guys. Maybe you feel stuck at work. Maybe you feel stuck at a situation in terms of relationship, but if you accept that this is how it is, this is what I need to deal with right now, and you do not have to worry about any situation, you will definitely come up with better solutions and answers for your future and yourself. Now the message that we get from our angels and our higher spirit guides is downloads and understanding, which is Lady Venus. Okay, so Venus is all about love, it's all about emotion, and I think a lot of you, my Leo friends, may be going through a lot of emotional situation at this point in time, and it's a very profound message that you're getting again, that truths are going to be revealed. So whatever is whatever you're losing your sleep on and you're getting anxiety, do not worry. When you start working, when you start just moving away from situations that does not serve you right, and you start walking towards the light at the end of the tunnel, you start understanding the truth about what is happening, what's the situation. You will start receiving deep insights as well, and you will be in a better intuitive state of mind. So that's what it's talking about. Venus is all about emotions, relationships, it's all about the money. So please do not waste water if you are wasting water. Okay, strong message from me to you: do not waste water. When you're wasting water, you're wasting your emotions, you're wasting your money. Do not gossip about other people, because that also is related to emotions, right? So this is your message for the month of April, my Leo friends. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and spread the good word. Support Luminous Guide, support this channel, and I wish you a very, very happy April. Okay, goodbye.